So today I'm going to be changing out the steering wheel to the Scion FR-S one. I kind of grew old of the stock Corolla one. You can see it's kind of peeling right here, and right here. So I'm going to go ahead and replace it. So first thing you do is you have one right here, one right here. They're T30 Torx. Once you drill those out, you should be able to pull off the airbag. And when you pull off the airbag, you're gonna have two connections right there. Make sure you disconnect your battery when you do this. So I already went ahead and pulled the yellow clips off. Plugs came off, and then you're gonna have a 19mm nut right here. Back it out just a bit, not all the way, and then just move your steering wheel left and right, like this, and it should be able to slide out. Do it carefully. And typically you're gonna have a cruise control module right here that connects right here, and then right here for your horn. Make sure to disconnect those, move those aside, and then your clock spring is exposed right here. So now we're gonna leave this alone for now. Make sure you leave it centered because you don't want to move it to the left or right. So let's go ahead and work on the Scion FR-S wheel. So then I have my Scion FR-S steering wheel right here, and I ended up doing this to the cruise control module. So this is my Corolla one. I ended up screwing it onto the plastic because it doesn't meet up with the original mounting points for the FR-S one. And then I also grinded down the hole a little bit bigger on the cruise control module. And then I used some I guess these locking nuts with the screws, and I kind of burned accidentally on the wire on the grinder wheel. But I mean, no one's gonna see this, so it doesn't really matter. But other than that, it's fully functional. Got my airbag right here. So we're gonna go ahead and mount this on the vehicle. And so there you have it. I ended up torquing down the nut right there with a 19mm. I just torqued it tight enough, good enough. And then we're gonna go ahead and connect our cruise control module, our harness right there, and look at that. So fully functional. Don't really need it, like, doesn't really feel different, and I'm still able to see it. And honestly, I don't really use the cruise control that much. I only use it on like long road trips, so it's just gonna exist there. But anyways, now we gotta transfer over this device. We're gonna transfer over this one because this is gonna be the one for our airbag compatible. And then we're gonna go ahead, and it looks like we're probably gonna need to extend this wire because this doesn't attach to the steering wheel like this one did right here. We're gonna need to attach it to the airbag itself, so I'm gonna have to extend this wire. So you can see I replaced the old one to the new airbag module, the airbag inflator. So, I mean, it looks the same. The old one does look the same, but I'm gonna play it safe and just use the Corolla one over the FR-S one. So you can see this is the old Corolla one. I'm not gonna use it no more, but I'm gonna hold on to it. So we extended the airbag wire. Kind of looks a little jank, but I mean, again, it's not gonna be shown. Hopefully this works. And then where do I have my airbag? Got my airbag right here. So we're gonna connect the horn to there. That's where the horn's gonna go. And obviously black on black, orange on orange. So just like that. Hopefully I don't pinch any of the wires going in. And these should just clip right in. Yeah, look at that. Holy crap, that looks so modern. This looks great, guys. I really hope my horn works. All right, so our battery is connected already. Does our horn work? Horn works. All right, let's turn on the car. Please don't explode, airbag. Airbag didn't explode on us. SRS light went off immediately. Does cruise control work? Yep, cruise control works. Awesome. All right. That's pretty much it, guys. Scion FR-S steering wheel and Corolla XRS. Hopefully my alignment is not too off. If it is, then I'm probably gonna align it tomorrow because I'm tired right now. I'm just trying to go home. But dude, this wheel looks incredible. Like, here, let me put both side by side just so you guys can see if I could get this freaking airbag back on. Jeez. Look at that. Look at the comparison. I don't know. I just like how it looks beefy. It looks really beefy compared to this one. This is a true modern, like, this is a true classic design, but I just like the more modernness of the FR-S wheel. But what do you guys think?